Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to create a categorical variable from a continuous variable. So one of the variables in my dataset is called GDP-CC, which basically means GDP per capita, or you can say that's a income per capita, means per person. So this is a continuous variable, so I'll pull up my do file and show this variable categorization, like how I justify my category. So let me write a command sum, which is summarize, and GDP-CC, and select this and run the selection, and now see GDP-CC. This is a continuous variable, mean, median, mean, standard deviation, minimum and maximum. But then we need more detail of this variable. We need to know the distribution of this variable so that we can precisely make categories out of it. So for this variable, if you can see that 25th percentile is about $2,100 per person, that's the per capita income, and then 50 percentile about $5,400 per capita income, and 75th percentile is about 16,000 or 17,000, and 19th percentile is 44,000 or about 45,000. So now we see this distribution, and as I said in my previous demonstration, that it's kind of arbitrary, like how you categorize a country. So I'll create three categories. One is low income country, and then middle income or mid income country, and then high income country. So how you choose middle and high income is based on your understanding of what your variable is, and what your conceptual framework or your theoretical reasoning informs you. So in this case, we are going to take this percentile value, like 25th percentile, 50th, and 75th percentile. I have prepared my do file. Let's see these categories. So the category low income is basically less than 25th percentile, which is 2100, about 2100, and between 2100 and 54, which is 50th percentile, and high income is more than that. So anything more than the 15th percentile would be high income. So that's how we do it, so for this demonstration. So now we know the distribution, so we start with creating a new variable called income category. So in income category, so if you select it and run the selection, so it says it has been successful. You generated a new variable. So 903 missing values generated. Missing values because we generated this as a way that that's basically there's no value in it. All of them are missing value. This is a variable, and you see these dots all are actually missing value. So what we are gonna do now is what we are gonna do now is we are gonna replace these missing values with actual values taken from GDP-CC. So our first command for replacing this value is replace income category 1, which would be actually low income, and we say that we condition it by saying if missing data and GDP-CC is less than 2100, about 2100. Okay, so if this is less than GDP is less than 2100, then categorize this as 1, and then it's low income. Run the selection and see what happens in the in the data editor view. So we replaced one. So these countries are basically the low income countries, and we still have the missing data for the high income and mid income category countries. So we are going to replace them by this command, replace income category 2 if missing data and GDP-CC is greater than or equal to about $2,100, and that is less than $5,400 something dollar, because anything above that would be rich country or high income country. So this is a medium income country. So this value, a medium income country, must be less than these and must be more than or equal to this. So execute the selection, and you will see the changes in data editor view. If you go here, you see in addition to 1, which is low income country, we have now 2. So we still have missing data because we haven't replaced the missing data with high income nations. So this is the same category. So we are saying that replace income category equal 1 equal 3. So 3 means high income. So if missing data and GDP CC is greater than 5,400 something, so if any value that is greater than this number would be a high income country, because that is the 75th percentile of the distribution of GDP CC. So now we have successfully replaced these values by these categories, and you'll see oh, I think I haven't run the selection yet, so let's do this and see the change in the data editor view. So yeah, now you don't see any missing data here. We have replaced with either low income or high income or like medium income countries. So this is how you create your categorical variable based on a continuous variable. Now if you tabulate it, tab income category, so yeah, I'll run the selection and see 1 2 3. So these are the values for this variable. However, you don't see like what does 1 mean, what does 2 mean, what does 3 mean. We don't have that yet. So we're gonna do like adding value levels. So run this command, and I have shown you in previous video how to do that. Level define income category 1 equal these, like 1 means this, 2 means medium income, and 3 means high income. So run this execution and tab again, tab income category, and hit enter, and we still don't have these because we still haven't applied it. So run this selection. So level values income category level. So we are now replacing it. So now if you tab it, tab income category, then you should be able to see these value levels. Yes, now you can see the value levels. Low income, which is 1, is this, medium income is this, and high income is this. So yeah, that's how you basically create that's how you basically create your categorical variable from a continuous variable. I hope this was helpful. If you find my channel helpful, please subscribe to my channel and put your comments below if you find it helpful. Thanks for watching.